been sick of constant negativity, searching for some clarity. Try to switch my mind around, reversing the polarity, and scuttle through the undertow, an urgent need for therapy, coercing me to stray from my roots. I've even practiced sacrificing bad news to Aphrodite statues, antagonized by past dues, I'm camera shy and fat too. Diet plan to snack food, banana pies and cashews. The person that I dream to be, I pantomime with tattoos, but even still I sense the glimmer of my confidence. Hiding under ink, I got to mimic my accomplishments. They're few and far between, sorta timid in their promises, drown in subtle whispers with the engine of a rocket ship. I can't linger any longer in the past. I'm not the person that I was back then, romanticizing everything. The flowers in the grass were a stepping stone for expressing my love back then, but now I'm jaded as I cautiously detach from all the people that I loved back then. Drown in every issue via vodka from a flask, to think the only thing I wanted was a hug back then. Sick of constant negativity, searching for some clarity. Try to switch my mind around, reversing the polarity, and scuttle through the undertow, an urgent need for therapy, coercing me to stray from my roots.